Hello everyone! In this video tutorial, we will tell you how to add and edit features in Appy Pie. Log in to your Appy Pie account, and after accessing your app dashboard, click Edit App. You will be redirected to the Editor page. Click on the plus icon next to Add Features in the left navigation panel to add a new feature. Now you can see the Add Features box. To add a feature, simply click on it or use the search box above. Once you have added a feature, you will be asked to edit it under the Edit Feature section. After editing the feature, click Save. Now click on the Publish button to see the reflection of your latest updates on your mobile app. You can see all your added features present in the left navigation panel, and you may access the feature page by clicking on the three dots and selecting Edit Feature. If you wish to change the order of the features in the left navigation panel, click on the three dots next to the feature and then select Move Up or Move Down to reorder the sequence of features in your app. You can add multiple features and edit them anytime you want by following the same process for both your app and website. That's all for now. Thank you for watching.